Hello, everyone. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine. It gives me immense pleasure to connect to all of you through my videos. Each time I try to add more value to it, what I share across. The ability to associate and converse with each other at workplace defines an individual's happiness. At the first place, it builds a feeling of togetherness among them, and at the second place, it acts as a support system to all of them. In nutshell, one can say that it builds a beautiful bond among them, which reaps its benefits later in life. Well, today over here, I am going to share across real life incidents which we came across as service providers, as consultant at Team Recruiters. It is a story, real life story of two of our clients, Avdesh and Seema. I have tried to change the name of both of our clients. Avdesh and Seema both were college freshers when they joined a reputed consumer electronic giant in India. Avdesh was excellent in studies. His credentials were always ahead of Seema. Ideally, Avdesh joined as manager sales and Seema as key accounts manager. Both remained friends during their tenure of service with the company, and they worked in harmony. Avdesh was always hardworking. His credentials were always ahead of Seema. Nowhere Seema and Avdesh were in race with each other, in competition with each other. This incident correlates to a point of time when the management of the company actually decided to restructure the company, the hierarchy. Now Avdesh, being very hardworking, excellent, and very sincere in his work, he actually peaked up as a regional head sales. He was euphoric, all celebrations. Upon his joining, he had to report to North India sales now. Upon his joining, for the very first time, the first day he wrote an email to North India head sales. To his surprise, this email was replied by Seema. All his celebration was drained away. There was no joy into him now. He has never ever imagined in his life that Seema would ever supersede him, because they were nowhere in competition, as I had already mentioned. In this particular incident, can you try and think out and jot down the reasons why basically Seema surpassed Avdesh? Reason being, Avdesh was always sincere. However, Seema was a very easy to go person. She was very famous in her office to be known as a very bubbly and easy to go person. Everyone used to come and gel with her. Then too, why did this happen that Seema could supersede Avdesh? Please share your suggestions, comments, and what do you think under the comment section. Myself, Molly Rastogi, Head Learning and Development Team Recruiters. I am going to share more of such incidences and stories which we at Team Recruiters have come across, have experienced as consultants in front of you, and ask your opinion about it. Do participate. Thank you so much. Have a good day.